Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use custom catalogs in pCon.basket with multiple languages. This feature is especially helpful when working with international clients or in multilingual environments. In previous videos, we've already shown you how to create custom catalogs and how to integrate your own images. Today, we're taking it a step further. You'll learn how to add short texts, long texts, and variant text in multiple languages. When creating a custom catalog, it's based on an Excel template. This template has been expanded and now differs slightly from the earlier version. But don't worry, the previous version still works. You'll find the link to the current template, as always, in the video description. In the new structure, you'll find 3 additional sheets alongside the main articles sheet: short text, long text, and variant text. These sheets allow you to enter translations for your catalog items. One important detail: the first column in each of these sheets is always called article. This column links the text to the correct item in the main article list. In the columns that follow, you'll enter your texts, one language per column. The column headers use official ISO language codes, such as DE for German or EN for English. You can also expand the table to include additional languages. Just add more columns with language codes like PL for Polish, and so on. This gives you full control over which text is shown in which language, flexible, clear, and fully customizable. But what if you don't have translations for every language? If a text is missing in the selected offer language, pCon.basket will automatically fall back to the default text from the articles worksheet. That way, your article texts will never be empty, even if a specific translation hasn't been entered. Let's take a look at how this works in pCon.basket. You've created a quote using articles from your custom catalog, and now you'd like to change the offer language. To do that, go to the header data section and select a different offer language, for example, French. The article list will update immediately. The texts switch automatically and display the corresponding translations. You can change the offer language at any time during editing. The article texts will always adjust dynamically and in real time. By using multilingual custom catalogs, you can create even more professional offers and flexibly adapt to different markets and customer needs. This is especially helpful if you're working on international projects or creating offers for various regions. You'll find more information and detailed documentation in the Help Center or in our other tutorials on pCon.basket. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks, and feel free to leave a like. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.